Hello class, today we will be working on skip counting by fives. The first activity that we're gonna start with is just counting from number 1 to 100. As you guys can see, we have some of the numbers that we'll be highlighting, and that will help us make an emphasis on the fives and counting by fives. Let's start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know we have 1, 5 already. Then we got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Another 5. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then we have 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. You have 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Now we're just gonna focus on the numbers that are with colored. Now let's forget about the black and whites. Let's just focus on the color numbers. So that way we can start counting by fives. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 75, 80, 85, 90, and 95, 100. Let me stop sharing for a second. So we already practiced our numbers from 1 to 100, and we already practiced the skip counting by fives. Now we're gonna start with an activity. This is the activity that we're gonna be working on. Let me zoom in a little bit. Give me 1 second. We can make it a little bit. Share my screen again. We're gonna count the cars and we're gonna put the number that belongs to the amount of cars that we have. Starting. We know that the first group of cars, it's 5. It says here already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now starting with 5, let's keep on counting. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, we have 10 now. We're gonna keep counting from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We know we now have a group of 15, so we're gonna put the number 15 down here. Yeah. In here, it already tells us 20. So we know that each group of this group of cars has 5 cars. So we can keep just adding 5 to the previous number. Starting from 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. After 25, we're gonna count 5 more. Let's make sure. 1, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. If we add 5 more to 30, which number will we get? It will be 35. It's in here. Starting from 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 40. After 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, which is in here. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. As we know for sure, we're going to be adding another 5. If we add 50, we add 5 more, get 55, and so on. This shows us, let's try just doing the counting with the amount that it says 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Let me stop sharing for a second. So that gives us an idea on the importance of counting, how counting with different groups can help us know the sequence of the numbers. We're gonna practice something a little bit different. Now what we're gonna do in here is we have a certain amount of circles. We have blue circles in here. And we're gonna group them in here. Let's first start. The first thing we're gonna do is count how many squares we have to know how many circles we're gonna need in each of the lines. Okay, the first line, we know we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. So let's put 2, 3, 4, 5. So each line is gonna be made up of a group of 5. Let's label it and we're gonna write 5. And now, it's the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a 5 in this line. But are we supposed to be writing 5 in here or putting it together? We have 10. So 5 and we add another 5, it's going to be equal to 10. Write 10 in here. Oops. 11, 12, 13, 14. Guess what number is next? 10. If we added another group of 5, that will give us 15. Awesome. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, finally 20. You know it's 20. We have another few circles left. So let's place them where they're supposed to go. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we're gonna write 25 next to the line. So that means that in total, we have 25 blue circles. And if we know each circle is made up of a group of 5. Each line has 5. So that way we can go and count from line to line. First line has 5. The second is 10. With the third line together, it's 15. Our line will be 20. With the fifth line, we'll have 25 circles in total. That's the whole number of circles that we have inside of the square. Stop sharing for 1 second. After we already practiced, we went through the skip counting, we're going to be doing a final activity in which we have to count by fives without the support of other objects of numbers next to it. And here's a tip, draw. 5, 10, and if we add 5 more, we can use our fingers, or we can make lines on the screen. 10, then let's try 5 more. We need our fingers, we can use them, if not the little lines. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we know now that 10 plus another 5, we will skip counting by 5, will be 15. No, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What's it? Next number, 20. Using fingers, if it's easier for you, or using or drawing 20, and then we add another 5. 22, 23, 24. Let's make sure we have 5. 25. So our next number will be 25. And we use our fingers, 25. We have 5 fingers, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Go up to 30. 30, we add 5 more. Will give us 35. We know it's 40. 40, we add 5 more, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. And so on. That's how we get to complete this little thing goes up to 155. So 5 plus 5, 50. 50 plus 5, 55. Remember, you guys can use your fingers. 55 plus 5, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay, let's practice counting these ones. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And we go on until we complete this whole thing. Let me see. Let me stop sharing. Okay, finally, once you had a time to complete the whole assignment, we're gonna go through the skip counting chart again. Now this time, just focuses on the skip counting 5. We don't have to go through the 1 to 100. We're gonna do 5, and we know now that 5. In order to know the next number, we're just gonna add 5 more to it. So 5, 10. Let me highlight so we go through it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So that's how we get to 100 counting by 5s. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you guys learned something. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a good day.